Do you want to make sure that your new kitchen is good flow, storage, and functionality?
It's so simple, you can do it yourself. And we have some tips that'll help you build your own dream kitchen at a fraction of the price. Make sure you pick your appliances first. This will stop you from running into any measurement problems later. All appliances have their own specific installation instructions, so email us if you need any help. Consider your house layout. Where will you entertain people? What are your kitchen's entry and exit points? And where are your cooking areas?
Kitchens generally have cooking, cleaning, and serving areas. Make sure you plan a good flow between these spaces.
And remember, wide walkways are important, as more than one person will usually be in the kitchen.
Make use of the work triangle, which are the areas we most frequently move between while using the kitchen: your oven, fridge, and sink. Minimizing distance between these points will help the flow and functionality of your kitchen when it's in use. Place your stove in the least accessible point of this triangle so that it's not in the way of foot traffic. Adversely, your fridge should be on the outermost point of your triangle so that everybody can easily access it.
Your most frequently used drawers should be placed on the outermost areas of your kitchen for easy access.
Landing spaces are the areas directly around your cooktop oven, sink, and microwave. Make sure these have plenty of room. So that you understand your room's layout correctly, make sure to draw your walls and windows into your plans.
This way you can build around your natural light sources, which can make your kitchen feel bigger and more open.
When you're planning your cabinet layout, start in the corners and work your way into the center of each wall. And remember, exposed cabinet ends may require a colored end panel. Each UDUIT Flatpack Kitchen is manufactured when you place your order and can be custom sized to your kitchen layout. All orders are dispatched 7 days after ordering and confirming by email.
For more information on how to design your dream kitchen, click this video. Or for help with your design, you can email us at sales@uduit.co.nz for a free set of colour samples to help with your planning. You can also send us your quote and plan if you'd like us to check it out before you order.
UDUIT, New Zealand's home of Flatpack Kitchens.